Hello everyone. This YouTube video features a Flutter package called ENVied, available at pub.dev. Here, we will learn how to use ENVied package to handle two separate sets of environment variables, one for the debug or development and other for the production environment. I've created a new Flutter project and written a simple main.dart file as you can see on the screen. Currently, the app just shows a centered, "Hello World" message on the app screen running on a virtual device. As stated earlier, ENVied package is available on the pub.dev website. The README section of the ENVied package in pub.dev gives us the command that can be used to install it along with the dev dependencies. You can copy the command and run it from the root of the project. And this is what I've done, as you can see. The command will take a few moments and then the packages will be added to the project. You can check them in the pubspec.yaml file. After the dependencies are added, create a new file at the root of the project and name it .env.development. Similarly, in the project root, create another file named .env.production. Now, you can open the .gitignore file and under the miscellaneous section, add the names of these two files as you see in the screen. Next, in the .env.production file, add the content as I have done. You can see it here. And create the same key in the .env.development file and add appropriate value. Or you can do what I have done here. Now, create a folder named env in the lib folder of the project root. Then in this env folder, create a file named multi_env.dart. Now, in this file add the content as I have, which you can see on the screen. Save the file. Don't worry for the error or warnings. The next step will fix this. Then from the root of the project, run the command dart run build_runner clean, which is actually not needed as I am working with a fresh project. But you will need to run this when you modify the value of an existing key in the environment file. After this command, follow up with the command dart run build_runner build -- delete -- conflicting outputs. Now, you can see the warnings are resolved. We are done configuring the environment variables and access methods. Now it is time to actually access the environment variables. In the main.dart file, replace the "Hello World" message with that you can see now on the screen. This is just for demonstration purpose. In actual project, you can now easily use this same access methodology to get the add unit IDs according to what environment the device is running on, debug or production, and show the corresponding adds. As you can see, my app running in debug mode now shows the add unit ID for the test banner ad. To launch the app in production mode, you will need to create a sign.apk file. If you need help with that, you should search the internet. After you complete the configuration to generate sign package, you can use the Flutter build apk - release command to build a .apk binary package of the app. You can then install this on any device or emulator, and you will see the production mode message. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.